quadratic equations, 2020, quite recent question, so quite typical. Quadratic inequality, right, is always one of the topic that most A-Math students will struggle with because they are confused with what you see in E-Math, okay, which is linear inequality. For A-Math, you will end up as an x square, so there's a fixed method to actually follow. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to rainbow open this thing. All right, just open as per normal. Okay, so once you reach this stage, right, you will notice there's a quadratic, there's a power 2, right? So this is a quadratic expression. So with a quadratic expression, right, what is something we need to take note? Whenever we try to solve a quadratic expression, something you need to note is that your x, your right-hand side, must equals to 0. Move everything to the left-hand side. Okay, so let's slowly move as per normal. So we got 2x squared. This is negative 19x plus 30x plus 15. Okay, we got more than equals to 0. Okay, so once you are done with this, can you help me to simplify this one? This one will actually just give me a very nice number, which is 11x plus 15. Okay, so at this point, a lot of us, what we will try to do is we will use our calculator to cheat, but I'm just going to do the conventional way. Okay, so this is 15, this is 11x. So multiply, I'm guessing it's a 3 and 5. Let me see. Yeah, should be. Okay, so then when I crisscross, this is a 5x, this is a 6x. Okay, so with this, what you will do is you will be able to get your two brackets, which is 2x plus 5 as well as x plus 3 more than equals to 0. Okay, so when I reach this step, right, what I'll do is I don't rush into solving it fast. I just make sure to double, triple check the answer for this one, 11 as well as 15. Okay, so I will have negative 3 and negative 5 over 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is, okay, typical of this kind of question, don't solve it the E-Math way, which is you go start flipping the sign and stuff. Okay, no, so what we're going to do is step 1, okay, you're going to draw like a number line kind of thing. So our root was what? Our root was negative 3 and negative 2.5. So please understand that negative 3 is smaller. That's why it's on the left side. Okay, next thing to look out for is look at the sign of this one. That means we should be expecting a smiley graph. Okay, so smiley. So just help me to draw your smiley like that. Next thing to look out for. So this is step 2. Okay, so next thing to look out for is my shading. So my shading, what am I looking out? I'm looking out for this one. More than equals to 0. So more than equals to 0, understand that this is the y value because usually your equation is y equals to ax squared, like that, right? So this is the y. So positive y over here, negative y over here. So if I want it to be more than 0, I'm shading the one on top. So then eventually, so that is step 3, right? So then my final answer will be x, because I'm solving for x less than equals to negative 3 or separated. Okay, x more than equals to negative 2.5. All right, so clear your misconception for quadratic inequality. This is a standard procedure. Okay, solve your quadratic as per normal. Okay, find your roots, draw your shape, and then start shading. And that will give you your final answer.